सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 11, verse number 32. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Kālosmi lokakshayakrit pravruddhah Lokan samahartumiha pravruttah ऋतेऽपि त्वां न भविष्यन्ति सर्वे एव स्थिता प्रत्यनीकेषु योधाः। Arjuna, when he saw the Vishwarupam, the universal form of the Lord, he expressed that Ascharyam or Vismitam, astonishment. Generally, when you see a new thing, first Ascharyam. Then if it is connected to the Lord, you feel that Bhagavan develop bhakti upon that, and Bhagavan's other side, that means that destruction part, when you see by tsunami, by cyclone, or by earthquake, really we are afraid of this Bhagavan. No. How it happens? Thousands of people die at a time. This is the destruction part of Lord, Kala Tattvam. That time we get fear. So, Ascharyam, the glory of Bhagavan, you see the flowers, that any plant full of flowers. What do you say? Appa, Ascharyam. That Ascharyam is natural. And Bhayam also take place when there something is dissolution taking place. Is Bhayam also comes. Some train accident, some electrical short circuit. Some people are dying because of some heart problems. Something or other, you afraid of this life, the whole Jagat, what is happening, we do not know. Bhayam. Therefore, we develop bhakti. Out of fear, we develop bhakti. Let me have fear upon that Lord. Bhakti, out of fear, the devotion comes. Ascharyam, Bhayam, Bhakti. All will take place. These are all emotions. When Arjuna saw the Lord Vishwarupam, Ascharyam, then Bhayam, because all people are entering into the Lord's mouth, and Bhagavan is enjoying like Uragai chutney, pickles, he is enjoying everyone, and Arjuna was frightened. Then what? Bhakti came. When he was frightened, he says, Bhagavan, prasida, become shantaha. Don't show me this Rudra Rupam, Bhayankara Rupam. I have lost my peace of mind. Please give me peace of mind, be gracious towards me. Shantamairu. Then who are you? I do not know. What is your real form? I thought you are creator only, but I am seeing you as a destroyer. Are you creator or destroyer? Lord Krishna is telling, I am creator as well as destroyer also. Kshayakrit pravriddhaha. I have come here to destroy. In this place, battlefield, I have come here to destroy all these pratyanikeshu yodhaha. Look into the shloka, last line. Ye avasthitaha pratyanikeshu. Ye and those who are all assembled here. Avasthitaha means assembled in this battlefield. Avasthitaha, where pratyanikeshu. Anikam army. Pratyanikam opposite, opposition army. Shatru Sainyam anartham. Pratyanikeshu. Who are all there? Yodhaha. Great warriors are there. Radhis, Maharathis, Atiradhas are there. Great warriors are there. Yodhaha pratyanikeshu. Ye avasthitaha. Who are all there, assembled there, arrayed there in that side. Lokaha kshayakrit pravruddhaha. Kalaha ahamasmi. To destroy them, I am here as a Kala principle. Lokakshaya means as the destroyer of the world. I have come here as a Kala, mighty time. Pravruddhaha Kalaha. Pravruddhaha means the time which has opened its mouth to swallow. The mouth, the time compared to a mouth, that mouth which is swallowing everything. Swallowing principle. Swallowing represents time principle. What time does? 6 minutes, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4. Suppose 6:39. Afterwards 6:39 what comes? 6:40. After 6:40 what comes? 6:30. What comes? 6:50. 6:50. Like that it goes. That means 6:45 swallows 6:44. 6:46 swallows 6:45. What 6:45 time? The minute, the later minute swallowing the prior minute. The later minute swallowing the prior minute, prior time. It is swallowing. That is, time is nothing but swallower, which is swallowing. Therefore, Kala Pravruddhaha. Aham Kala Pravruddhaha. I am here. Not only that, for that what am I doing? Lokan iha samahartam pravruddhaha. As a time principle I have come here. Not only that, I have samhartam. Samahartam means samhartam, to destroy the people here. In this Kurukshetra battlefield, 11 Akshauhini Sainyam plus 7 Akshauhini Sainyam. Only Pandavas left out. All of them left out. No? That means their prarabdha is over in artham. Kala means what? Their prarabdha is over. Their time is over. Oh Arjuna, their time is over. Why you are worrying? Once the prarabdha is over, you need not use your big arrow. No? Dhanusu you need not use. Even Tennankuchi also is enough. That's why some people, even though they are surviving with nose in the nose tube and the nose tube, and get tube, inga tube, and the emergency ward they are surviving. But one person bathroom lo konju slip ayi out anna. Enna avan surviving even ye achana. Prarabdha is over. Once prarabdha is over, you cannot stop. Why you are worrying about them? Their time is over. Drona, Bhishma, all of their time is over. Even if you don't fight, Rite Pitva, Bhagavan says, you see, Rite Pitva, without you also, Vallabhanukku Pullum Ayudham Manna. Vallavan ரொம்ப very strong person. அவனுக்கு என்ன பெரிய ஆயுதம் வேணுமா என்ன? That's why you can use even grass. Vallabhanukku pullum ஆயுதம் சொல்ற. So here Kala principle we give to that Kala. When Bhagavan as a destroyer, we give the name to that Kala as Yamadharma Raja. What Yamadharma Raja do? Very busy. Mrityur dhavati panchamahan. Yamadharma Raja is running busy in vacating the place. People, he want to vacate the people. Come on, enough. Prarabdham over. Vaan kuttindirvar. Yamaya Dharma Rajaya. Dharma Raja, exactly, even 1 minute, 1 second also you cannot stay here. That's why Dharmaputra asked Lord Krishna, who is the cause of this battle? Who is the cause of this Kurukshetra battle? When Dharmaputra asked, Lord Krishna said, you only. You, the Dharmaputra, only is the cause of this battle. Kurukshetra Yuddha. Then Dharmaputra, because before battle is going to come, they are trying, no, after 13 years they are going to fight. இந்த யுத்தத்துக்கு காரணம் என்ன, வரப்போற யுத்தத்துக்கு காரணம் என்னன்னு கேட்டேன். நீதான். அப்போ Dharmaputra tried to avoid the war. What he did, no, he made so many vows, promise. Vows என்ன, இந்த விரதம் அந்த விரதம் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு vows-னு சொல்லுவான். Promise. நான் இது பண்ண மாட்டேன் அது பண்ண மாட்டேன், ஏதோ ஒரு விதமா இந்த யுத்தம் வராமலே you want to stop. But finally what happened? Because of that vows only, yuddham happened. Because of the same vows, that is the cause for the battle. This is called a law of Ishwaran. You cannot avoid, you cannot stop that eventuality. What has to take place, you cannot stop. So therefore, Rite Pitva, third line, without you also, Sarve na bhavishyanti. Sarve means all these people, Drona, Bhishma, Karna, Dushasana, Duryodhana, Sarve na bhavishyanti. They are not going to be here. Na bhavishyanti. They are not going to be here. They are going to leave the place. Yamadharma Raja's another name, Vaivasvataya Kalaya Karma Bhuta Kshayaya. Yamadharma Raja நம்ம பயப்படுவோம் அந்த பேர் சொல்றதுக்கு. That sloka tells Karma Bhuta Kshayaya. Why Yamadharma Raja want to take the person na karma kshayam? Because his prarabdha karma is over. Therefore he takes. That's all. That's why he is Yama Dharma Raja. Yama anna Yachati. The one all controller. Yachati means all controller is called Yama. How he does righteously, dharma, in a dharmic way. According to their karma phalam, exactly he does. That's why he is called Yama Dharma Raja, king of the controller of all. Therefore, he says, Sarve yodhaha na bhavishyanti. All the warriors who are arrayed here, te ye avasthitaha. Both the armies, pratyanikeshu, prati anikam, pratyanikam, both the sides, Kauravas and Pandavas side also, na bhavishyanti. They will cease to exist. They will disappear. Even without you. Therefore, better you fight. That's what he is going to say. Anyhow, they are going to die without you. So what? Therefore, listen. What am I going to say to you? Arjuna, listen. Tasmat tvamuttishta yasho labhasva. Jitva shatrun bhunksha rajyam samriddham. Mayaivaite nihitah purvameva. Mayaivaite nihatah purvameva. Nimitta matram bhava savyasachin. It's very, very important shloka. He Savyasachin, O Arjuna. Lord Krishna addressing Arjuna as Savyasachin. Savyena Sachitum Sheelam Asya. Savyena Vamahastena. The one who can fight with left hand also. And also pottukano. Arjuna fight with right hand. Not only right hand, Arjuna fight with left hand also. Savyena Vamahastena Sachitum Yuddham Kartum. So Sharanam Yuddham Kartum, he is ready, able to leave the arrow through the left hand also. Asya Asti, the one who is capable of fighting with the left hand. Therefore, Savyasachi. Gnapakam padutharar. Don't leave your arrow. You are not only the right hand fighter. Who can fight with left hand? You are the left hand fighter also. This great title, how can you miss here? Arjuna, don't miss this opportunity. Take up. Tasmat tvam uttishta. Therefore, may you get up. Therefore means, since you are fighting with the left hand, therefore get up. No. Previous shloka we have to supply here. Tasmat means kasmat. Therefore means wherefore. Since they are already going to die anyhow, they are not going to exist. Therefore, why you are going to stop this war? You cannot stop this event. Better to fight. So, corollary is what? For the sake of kingdom, you have to fight. He is giving the answer. Ye Bhagavan, why you have to fight? For the sake of kingdom. Yasho labhasva jitva shatrun. By conquering. Jitva means by conquering. Ji jay dhatu. Jitva, having conquered. Shatrun, the enemies. Yasho labhasva, may you get that kirti. Yashaha means kirti, name. Labhasva, may you attain. By killing that, by destroying the enemies. Not only that, you get ashes, you get Rajyam Samruddham Bhunkshasva. Bhunkshva. Rajyam Samruddhamna, a kingdom with full of prosperity. Samruddham Rajyam. Bhunkshva means may you enjoy. destroy your enemies, enjoy your kingdom, and get name and fame. Such a great Arjuna people will call you. Rajyam bhungshva. For the sake of kingdom, you should fight. Rajyam, samruddham rajyam bhungshva. And second, as a kshatriya, you have to get rid of all adharmic people. Why you have to fight? You are a kshatriya, warrior. Warrior duty is what? To destroy the adharmic people. Duryodhana, Dushasana, all these people, Karna, you have to destroy them. How can you allow the adharmic person to survive? The wrong place you show your compassion, it is called misplaced compassion. A judge should not say, I forgive you. A criminal, when criminal is there, he should not say, I want to forgive you. It is not compassion, it is misplaced compassion. So law and order is important, not your compassion. Don't be emotional. Wherever there is punishment is required, you have to punish. That too, your Kshatriya Swadharma is to fight. Therefore, you should not show compassion on Drona. You should not show compassion on Bhishma. This is misplaced compassion. You cannot kill only Duryodhana. Why? Because Bhishma is the first commander-in-chief. So, the Bhishma, as long as Bhishma is there, you cannot destroy Duryodhana. Because Bhishma is protecting Duryodhana. Therefore, for the sake of dharma, what to do? To destroy Duryodhana, you have to destroy Bhishma also. Because Drona is also standing in front of Duryodhana. Without killing Drona, you cannot kill Duryodhana. Therefore, it is that's why intelligently Duryodhana caught this. He took this grip of this Drona and Bhishma Randu Pakkama. That is the main reason why Arjuna was so emotional. That Arjuna Vishadatik Karanam enna, not Duryodhana. Arjuna Vishadatik Karanam Drona and Bhishma. Even not Karna. Bhishma and Drona alone is the main cause for Arjuna's Vishadam, sorrow. So therefore, to destroy the adharmic people, you have to fight. The third reason is, if you don't fight, you get pratyavaya papam. If you don't kill adharmic people, as a kshatriya, what you will get? Papam. Pratyavaya papam. Renouncing your own duty, you get pratyavaya papam. So you want to get papam? Therefore better to fight. Tasma. Since you are a kshatriya, since you have to destroy adharmic people, you have to destroy these people, you have to fight. Maya eva ete purvameva nihataha. These people, maya eva, by me alone. Maya eva purvameva. Before you are killing them, their prarabdha is over. Their just body is hanging. No, bodies are only there. Shells, body shells are there. Okay, like that in small dramas, no? When we are playing with children, Ramayanam, Bharatam drama, chinna vayasula, stage dramas when we are playing, Ravana comes and we bring that broomstick and we tie a thread this side and that side and we tell you are Ravana, I am killing you, I am using this arrow. He has to die, he has to fall down. How is it possible? That is what? Even tenna kunchanam, you have to fall down. Lord says, Purvameva nihataha. They are already killed by me. Because I am the integral part of this creation as a time principle. It is not in your hands. I am the cause of the creation. I am the cause of this destruction also. Therefore, listen whatever I say. You don't teach terms to me. No? Arjuna teaching terms to Lord Krishna. So don't teach terms to me. You have to follow me. Purvameva nihataha. Nihataha means destroyed by me. That's why a Kshatriya should not talk about ahimsa, non-violence. I want to follow non-violence. Ashoka followed like that only, non-violence. When Ashoka followed non-violence in wrong time, wrong place, what happened? All invaders came to this country. Misplaced non-violence. Therefore, Kshatriya should know. But Ashoka is the great. And so many trees planted, wells and all, lot of satrams, shout trees and all. Adike great. But what mistake done by Ashoka, later Rajas and all, the history can never forget. And not only that, why he followed non-violence? He took Buddha Matam. Ashoka took Buddhism. What Buddhism says? Non-violence, ahimsa. That's the wrong step he took in the history. From that time, invaders started coming to our country. From that time. That's why Rajas left their Kshatriya dharma. Therefore, Arjuna, you don't do like that. See, to inspire a Kshatriya, how powerful Shakti is required. Imagine. Lord Krishna is the powerful, almighty Shakti, avatara required to guide a Kshatriya. Through Kshatriya, Lord wants to establish dharma. The Lord wants to establish dharma through Arjuna, that's all. But who is establishing, really speaking? Lord alone. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam. Arjuna is only instrument. That's what he says. Nimitta matram bhava savya sachin. Hey Arjuna, may you become an instrument in my hands. Nimitta matram anna instrument. You are an instrument in my hand. Bhava means may you become. Now onwards, may you become an instrument in my hands. Whatever I say, you have to do. This is right, this is dharma, I have given that direction to you. Just go ahead. Nimitta matram, this word create a lot of misconceptions. This one word, nimitta matram. I have to clarify this word. What do you mean by nimitta matram? Before going to very terse subject, I will give a story, small story. This mullah, you know mullah, last class I told you a mullah story. Sardar, mullah. Somebody came to his house. Some guests, friends came to his house. And they saw in his house so many animal skins, animal nails, animal horns. So many they are seen there. And all the parts are there except head. Except head, all parts are there and he kept there like a museum. Everybody is asking, you have kept all the parts of animals and what about head? No animal head is there, but we are seeing all other organs of that animals. Before I am going to that place, before me somebody took the head. Somebody already taken away the heads of those animals. Therefore, left of the parts I brought. That means what? அதில் பண் என்னமோ தெரியுமா, இவன் ஒன்றும் கில் பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம். See, if you kill an animal, how you show your victory in those days, they take the head of that animal. Then only you only killed and cholla mudiyum. That animal, you are the big, greatest hunter and eppadi kamika mudiyum, you have to take the head of that animal. After that, you are the greatest hunter. Even in a Pandita Mullah, he couldn't fight. One timid fellow. After killing after hunting by someone, and they take the head and they go. What this person do, Mullah, other organs and all he collect and bring to his house and keep like an exhibition and shows to all people. See how great Mullah and people think. Adi Madri, Arjuna, you are like a Mullah. You are not going to destroy anybody. They nihataha purvameva. They are already killed by me. But I will give you what? That credit to you. There is a secret between Arjuna and Krishna. I will give you that credit. Just fight. Get the kingdom. I don't want kingdom. You take the kingdom. And you enjoy the kingdom. But at the same time, you get the name and fame also. When you destroy adharmic people, you will be the instrument in my hand. What do you mean by instrument? The discussion is here, fate and free will. Fate and free will. Very important topic. All our doubts can be cleared by this 2 points, fate and free will. Fate means prarabdha in artham. Fate means vidhi, prarabdha. How you define the fate? Whatever you have done, the karma, past karmas, they give result. Past karma's results, karma phalam, is called prarabdha. Our own karmas, their phalam, it is called prarabdham. Arabdha karma prarabdham. What do you mean by prarabdha? Whenever we listen prarabdha word, we take in a negative sense. Ella innoda prarabdham. We need not take in a wrong sense. No, negative sense la edukka kodadu. Prarabdham enna artham? Arabdham karma. That what I have to exhaust in this life, that karma phalam, which has arabdham, that means what karma I have done in previous janma, that karma has fructified. Now that karma ripened, it is giving phalam. What phalam? Sukha, dukkha, phalam. Not ambram, not mango phalam. Okay. What phalam? Ella karma phalam. Phalgute anaya na phalam. Phalgute means phalam is that which ripens. It is sweet or bitter. Maybe sweet, maybe bitter. Phalam. Isn't it? Karma phalam. My karma only giving sukha and dukkha, experience. When I undergo sukha, it is my own punya karma phalam. When I am undergoing pain, dukkha, my own papa karma phalam is I am exhausting, I am experiencing. When we are doing karma, we are karta. We are all called doers, karta. When we are experiencing the phalam, we are bhokta, enjoyers, experiencer. So, karta eva bhokta bhavati. Correct, Dani? Karta eva bhokta bhavati. Whatever I do, I have to experience that karma phalam. This is called fate. Karma phalam. And free will in purushartha. I can change my karma phalam by certain actions. Free will. That is called Purushartha. I will explain about free will later. This fate, there are two advantages if you accept the fate. The people who say fate alone is determining my life and chonna, that person is called a fatalistic person and artham. Fatalism. என்னோட தலை எழுத்து எப்படி இருக்குமோ அப்படி நடக்கும் అని சொன்னா அவன் என்ன ஃபேட்டலிஸ்ட்னு பேர். நாட் கேட்டலிஸ்ட், ஃபேட்டலிஸ்ட். விதிதான் ஹரிணாபி ஹரேணாபி பிரம்மணாபி சுரைரபி லலாட லிகிதா ரேகா பரிமார்த்தும் ந சக்யதே. வாட் தோஸ் பீப்புள் சே? தேர் ஆர் குரூப் ஆஃப் பீப்புள். சம் பீப்புள் சே, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணாலும் பிரயோஜனம் கிடையாது, நமக்கு என்ன நடக்க வேண்டியதோ அதெல்லாம் எழுதி வச்சிருக்காரு பகவான். எங்க? லலாட்டம். Who? Bhagavan already written on our head what is going to happen. Next moment what is going to happen பகவானுக்கு தெரியும். பகவான் எழுதி வச்சுட்டார். நடக்க வேண்டியது நடக்கும். They are called fatalistic people. It is called fatalism. And they quote this shloka. Harinapi harenapi. This fate, okay, my talaratai, my prarabdha karma, who can change? Harinapi, Hari cannot change. Lord Narayana cannot change. Harinapi, Harenapi, even Shiva cannot change. What about Brahma? Brahmanapi. What about other devatas? Rahu, Ketu and all. Surairapi, devatas also, Rahu, Ganam, Ketu, Ganam, devatas also cannot change. Why? Lalata likita reka parimartum na shakyata. It is impossible to change that what is written on my head. You might have heard from so many people these words. But Shastra will not accept. Everything is determined by only fate and chonna. It is against to Shastra. Shastra will not accept. Everything is determined only by fate and chonna. Shastra will not accept. Shastra accepts fate also determines in certain cases and chonna. Shastra will accept. Shastra will never negate the fate. Please carefully understand. Shastra never negate the fate. Thala eluthu totally. Thala eluthu virukku. Shastra accepts. There is a role of your prarabdha also, fate also, but not totally. What is the advantage? Suppose a person say, why people talk about the fate? That person can do anything. He need not have any responsibility. ஏதாவது பண்ணிடலாம். எல்லாம் அக்கிரமம் பண்ணி எல்லாம் அவர் பண்ண வச்சுட்டார். அவருடைய செயல் நான் என்ன பண்ணுறது? அவர் அப்படிதான் புத்தி கொடுத்தார் எனக்கு, பகவான் தான் பண்ண வச்சுட்டார் అని சொல்லுவான். யூ ஆர் நாட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் ஃபார் திஸ் மிஸ்டேக். நான் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இல்லை. அந்த டைமுக்கு அது வந்தது மனசுக்குள்ள, பகவான் அப்படி பண்ண வச்சுட்டாருன்னா ஏன்னா அது ஃபேட், அவனுடைய ஃபேட், அதர் பர்சன்ஸ் ஃபேட்னு சொல்லிடுவான். பண்ண வேண்டிய அக்கிரமம் இல்லை பண்ணி, ஏன் அப்போ இப்படி பண்ணிட்டு அவனுக்கு கஷ்டம் வந்தது, அவனுடைய தலை இழுத்தது, நான் என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவான். See the mistake எப்படி வருதோ. This is advantage for this person. Error is human. To blame is more human. Error is human. To blame others is very simple, and committing lot of crimes and putting on their head. No, what? It is his prarabdha. his prarabdha. So, all atrocities a person can do, person will do, and he escape. Because he says, it is his தலை எழுத்து. அவனுக்கு அப்படிதான் கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டியது இருக்க, படட்டும் அக்கிரமம் எல்லாம் பண்ணி. ஸோ திஸ் பர்சன் இஸ் நாட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள். அது ஒரு அட்வான்டேஜ். ஏன்னா எல்லாம் ஃபேட்டு தான். கிவிங் பெயின் டு அதர்ஸ், killing others, destroying others and saying it is his fate. Why you are doing like this? Because his fate made me to take this type of action. எவ்வளவு தப்பு பாருங்க. இது இவனுக்கு அட்வான்டேஜ், ஃபேட்டலிஸ்டுக்கு அட்வான்டேஜ். This is negative type of advantage. Then if you accept the fatalism or vidhi, fate, there is one positive advantage. Positive advantage. What is that positive advantage? It is simple, you can understand. Positive advantage is, suppose I am undergoing lot of pain, lot of sorrow because of some incident happened. Or near dear people are suffering, suppose. If I accept fate, okay, what karma phalam I have done, I have to exhaust. Let me undergo this pain. And I accept my fate. Positively I take and I worship the Lord. I do prayaschitta karmam and all. And I seek the help from the Lord. I strengthen myself and say to the Lord, oh Lord, thank you for giving me this pain. Every pain, there is a lesson to learn. See, looking in a positive way. It is fate, my fate only. Because of my fate only it is happening. Even some people give some problem. They cause some sorrow to me. I take it in a positive way. துன்பப் புடத்திலிட்டி தூயவை நாக்கி வைத்தாயன. So, more problems, I shine more and more. Taking in a positive way. Not only that, whatever happens is good. Bhagavan is very loyal. Bhagavan is very just and loyal. Bhagavan is never unjust. So my bhakti will increase on Bhagavan. இதிலும் ஏதோ நல்லதே இருக்கு, எனக்கு நடக்க போறது, இந்த கஷ்டத்தில் கூட இந்த நல்லது தான் நடக்கும் அன ஒரு மனசுக்கு ஒரு தெம்பு வரும், ஸ்ட்ரெங்க் வரும். ஐ நீட் நாட் லூஸ் மை ஹார்ட். இந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு துன்பம் வருதுன்னா ஏதோ நல்லது வரப்போறதே. அதுதான் அந்த பாட்டை, துன்ப புடத்திலிட்டு. எப்படி தங்கம், the gold, once you put in a furnace, how much that heat it is undergoing, then what comes out in a shining gold. That's why all difficulties, problems, pains really coming to give vairagyam. By getting vairagyam you get a lot of jignasa, or to get moksha. You will become a mumukshu. அது நல்லதுக்கு தான். கஷ்டங்கள் எல்லாம் வந்தாதான், நல்லா அடிப்பட்டாதான் வைராக்கியம் வரும். வைராக்கியம் வந்தாதான் அந்த பகவானுக்கு மேல மனசு வரும். பகவானு மேல மனசு வந்தாதான் ஞான யோக்கியத்தை வரும். ஞான யோக்கியத்தை வந்தாதான் குரு, சாஸ்திரா, மோக்ஷா. மோக்ஷம் ஃபார் வாட்? ஆனந்தா. இந்த துக்கம் எதுக்கு? அந்த ஃபைனல் ஆனந்தா இல்லையோ. குழந்தை கூட, when child, baby want to walk, how many times baby fall on the ground? எத்தனை வாட்டி விடுவா கீழே, விழுந்து 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 ஒரு நாளுக்கு learned how to run. Similarly in life also, many times we face many troubles. Later you come to know, அப்பா அது வந்ததுனால தான் இவனுக்கு இவ்வளோ மெச்சூரிட்டியே வந்தது நம்மவே சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையோ. பட் அந்த பெயின் டைமில் ஒத்துக்க மாட்டோம். We never accept when we are undergoing that pain. But mature people, whoever is having tremendous bhakti and whoever totally believe in their own karma phalam, and whoever believe in that Lord who is karma phala data, they accept and even at the time of pain also they accept. That's why Kunti happily taken that pain what she has undergone. Even she invited the pain, it seems. She invited all what? Kashtam. All difficulties she invited. Who will invite? Tell me. Any one of us invite Kashtam? That's why Krishna Paramatma stood Pandava's side. So you read Puranas and all great Mahatmas, they undergone a lot of pain, physical pain, mental pain. அதுதான் நல்லதுக்கு தான். அதான் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் வர்றது எதுக்கு? என்ன பெயின்? ஃபார் வாட்? வைராகியம். டிசீஸ், பெயின். ஃபார் வாட்? வைராகியம். வைராகியம் என்ன? டிட்டாச்மெண்ட் ஆன் திஸ் வேர்ல்ட்லி மேட்டர்ஸ் which is not பிரம்மஸ்வரூபம், which is not truth. ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் இதெல்லாம் வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்தா ரொம்ப நல்லது. சில பேர் வரமாட்டா. பகவான் என்ன பண்ணுவார்? அதனால அவர் 2 கையில் வச்சுட்டார். ஒன்று ஓல்டேஜ், ஒன்று டிசீஸ். இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்தாவது கொஞ்சம் வைராக்கியம் வருவான்னு அவர் பகவான் வச்சிருக்கார். சம் மெச்சூர் பீப்புள் பிஃபோர் ஏ ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் கமிங், பிஃபோர் டிசீஸ் கமிங், தே ஹோல்ட் ஆன் டு பகவான். லைக் பிரஹ்லாதா, த்ருவா, நாரதா, all are mature bhaktas. Immature bhaktasக்கு நல்லா அடி வேணும் இல்லையா? இம்மெச்சூர் பக்தாஸுக்கு அடி வந்தாதான் தெரியும். சின்ன குழந்தை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு டீச்சர் கூட பனிஷ்மெண்ட் இல்லாமலே சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நல்லா படிப்பான். சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தாதான் they will study well. அது மாதிரி this Jivan Muktas are also students like that only. Now nimitta matram, this is one plus point, one negative point. Negative advantage, the first point, fate. Positive is for good only. Sorry, the fate patti podum. What about free will? Everything take place according to fate. Is there free will, choice for us? Choice illaya appo. We have choice. What to do, what not to do. We have choice. Choice is there. But that choice alone is called free will. A dog do not have choice. It has no free will. It goes according to its program. But human being has got a free will, choice. Therefore, if I violate my free will, if I misuse my free will, I abuse my free will, I will be punished. Dog is not punished. If I violate traffic rules, police will punish me. I have choice to follow the rules and I have choice to violate the rules also. But I have to follow there. If I violate, police will take to a lockup, no? But the dog violates. It is walking on the middle of the road. No police will catch the dog. No police will punish the dog. Is it not? Why? Since a dog is not having free will, it do not know that and all. Therefore, even dog barks, nobody will punish. We people bark, no? Why you are shouting? they will punish. So the dog, animals and all, they are not punished because they don't have free will. But human being has got free will. You have to use your free will according to rules and regulations. Suppose if I don't have free will, everything Bhagavan only doing, and what is the defect? What are the doshas? That doshas we'll see. Now comes the why Vyasacharya use nimitta matram bhava savya sachi anadi final meaning we'll come to see later. But many people say Bhagavan only doing everything. We are the instruments in the Bhagavan's hand. Nimitta matram an instrument. I am the instrument. Bhagavan only doing everything. And Chonna, what is the defect? Not one defect, there are 5 defects. First defect is nimitta anna instrument. Instrument means that which you handle. Pen is an instrument. It is a hand. You are handling the pen. Car is an instrument. You are handling the car. So whatever is instrument, that is inert jadam. And the instrument, the user of the instrument is the controller of that instrument. Is it not? As you say that pen is writing, no? As you write, pen is writing. Pen is instrument in your hands. Your vehicle is instrument. Like that, Arjuna, suppose Arjuna take it literally. I am the instrument, Bhagavan is the user of that instrument, Arjuna. Bhagavan become what? Karta. Arjuna become what? Karanam. Pen is Karanam. Whatever instrument in Sanskrit we call it as Karanam. Karanam is an instrument. So once Arjuna is Karanam, instrument, Bhagavan becomes what? Karta, the user of Karanam. Leo. Karta Bhagavan. Arjuna is Karanam. Then what happens? First dosha is, suppose if we take this statement literally, first defect is Ishvara samsaritva prapti doshaha. Ishvara will become a samsari. Whatever karma done by the human being, I am saying I am the instrument in the hands of the Lord. Okay, I am doing so many actions. How am I doing? As the instrument of the Lord. Lord is the doer. Like puppet. Puppet, they make the puppets to dance. The thread is in that sutradhari. So that person is making these puppets to dance up and down. And Bhagavan is the sutradhari. I am the puppet in the Bhagavan's hand. I dance or I do actions according to Bhagavan's will. Ipdi nenicha enna honna Bhagavan become the karta. I am the instrument. Okay. இது வரைக்கும் நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்கு இப்போ. Suppose I do wrong actions, bad actions. Okay, I do bad actions, and that bad actions, when I am doing, I am instrument. Bad actions பண்ண வெச்சிருந்த யாரு? பகவான். பகவான் is the karta. அவர் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு? கெட்டதெல்லாம் பண்ண வச்சிட்டாரு. நான் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் அவர் கையில. I am the instrument in his hand. I have no freedom, free will, no choice. I am going exactly according to his will. I am following my fate. Then what will happen? Bhagavan is the karta, and that papa karma, since karta Bhagavan is doing, using me as a karanam, papa karma phalam goes to whom? Bhagavan. Why? Yaha karta saha bhokta. Who is the doer of action? Hey, that bad actions phalam should go to whom? Bhagavan. not to me. Why? I am the instrument. So when we are driving the car, we are going by car. The car goes to the wrong side as a punishment given to the car or driver. Huh? To the driver. We never punish the car. We never punish the vehicle. Whom we punish? The driver who is the karta using the instrument car. Similarly, Bhagavan is the karta using this human being as an instrument, and this person is doing wrong actions. And in the papam yarukku povum? Bhagavan. Avaru or samsari. Bhokta. Yaha karta saha bhokta. Papa karma phala bhokta samsara problem Bhagavan will get. So therefore, a criminal kills all terrorists, militants, terrorists, they are killing so many people. And the papam who goes to whom? Bhagavan. Bhagavan will become a samsari. The Ishwarasya samsaritva doshaha. The papa goes to Bhagavan. This is the first defect. If I take up this fate alone is functioning, Bhagavan alone is the cause for everything. What is the next dosha? Second defect, if I accept this, I am the instrument in the hands of the Lord. Avaru Aada Vikkarar Nam Adaro Manna. He is the one who is playing the drama. What is the second defect? Jivatva asamsaritva doshaha. If we are the instruments in the hands of the Lord, we will never acquire any papa. We will never acquire any papa. There is no papa, there is no dukkha. There is no dukkha means there is no samsara. Then I will become what? Jiva, I the human being, asamsari. Asamsaritva dosha. But really speaking, Jiva has got samsara dosha. Sukha, dukkha, problems irukku. Illiyo? So therefore, how a Jiva can become asamsari? If I accept fate, I become asamsari. It is Shastra Viruddham. Puriyartho? Konja abstract irukkum subject. Mullama puriyum. Okay. That's why, what is the proof we have samsara? Samsara enna annartham? Samsara சொல்லிட்டு என்ன சுவாமி சம்சாரம் பண்ணாரு? Kama karma phala. Because of kama, I do karma. Because of karma, I do papa and punya karma. And because of that, I get phalam. Because of that phalam, I undergo again that pain. Kama karma phala pravaha. Samsaraha. Janana marana samsaraha. So I will become asamsari. But what is our sankalpa every day? Mamopatta samasta Duritakshayadvara. Na panna papangalella poharthukkaga na sankalpam pannendirken anu solrame. Apdi enna artham? Namakku nariya paapam irukken artham. Illaya? Duritam irukku. And the duritam irundadhu enna artham? I am having free will and artham, not fate. Puriyartha? Otherwise, I am asamsari enna enakku no problem. But our tragedy is what? Full of problems. Kalai elinda problems. Therefore, asamsaritva doshaha will come. Therefore, we should not say instrument and chollakudadu. Next, third dosha is what? That is Ishwarasya Vaishamya doshaha. Partiality. Ishvara has got a partiality dosham. What it means? Third, fourth, fifth doshas we will see in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.